I wanted to look at Revelation 18, verse 2. He cried mightily with a strong voice, saying, Babylon the Great is fallen, and is become the habitation of devils, and the hold of every foul spirit, and a cage of every unclean and hateful bird. The word for hold means to guard, to watch, a person keeping watch, a guard, or a sentinel. Additionally, the word for cage means a guard or watch. It's the same meaning. These are some of the pictures of unclean birds, specifically a falcon, a carrion, and a raven. And this is another type of falcon, the SpaceX falcon. Those aren't the type of unclean birds I want to look at in this video, though. These unclean birds are also names for flock security cameras. The Starlink is going to work specifically create a mobile security trailer for the flock security cameras. This will make them entirely self-sustaining and will provide remote surveillance hubs that can be deployed anywhere in the world. The Falcon camera will be creating a vehicle fingerprint. So if someone were to take the license plate off a vehicle, the camera would possibly still be able to identify which vehicle it is, using identifying and unique features such as bumper stickers, dents, or modifications that have been made to the vehicle. It will also capture license plate details. It will have night vision built in, and there will be real-time alerts, which will alert local law enforcement. In researching about the Condor, that one is a Starship-class satellite platform built by an aerospace company that is explicitly designed for mass deployment on SpaceX Starship. The purpose of that is a high-density AI computing and climate data. The Flock Raven security camera is an AI-powered acoustic detection system used by law enforcement. So it will detect sounds from a weapon. It will also pick up other sounds that might trigger an interest that are auditorial. So Babylon has become the haunt of every unclean bird in the book of Revelation. I looked to see where flock security cameras came into existence. It was the United States of America. In Genesis chapter 8, one of the birds that Noah released was a raven. I couldn't help but notice it was during the peak of the coronavirus pandemic that the raven flock security camera was released. It was in October 2021. Isn't it ironic when it talks about the unclean birds in Babylon that some of the meanings of those words just in that one verse mean to guard or to watch? And guess what the massive nationwide network that links independent flock cameras together is called? It's called the Talon. And the AI-driven software integration and gateway, which allows companies to use existing cameras to tap into the flock system, that's called the Wing. There's also something called the Flock DAS, D-A-S, Drone as Automated Security. It's built on drone as a first responder technology. That software will automate with the aerial drone deployments to fly directly to the scene of a triggered Raven acoustic alert or Falcon camera hit. That verse in Ecclesiastes makes a lot more sense now. Curse not the king, no, not in thy thought, and curse not the rich in the bedchamber, for a bird of the air shall carry the voice, and that which has wings shall tell the matter.